you for all.
Alright, I went back in here and replaced the belt because it was a little stretched out. And it seems like her head it seems like the motor that lifts her head might be a little bit stronger now. So hopefully it will stop getting caught so much on like the clothes, because I think what was going on was the belt was slipping. Lifts just fine now.